Exercise 2, a foundation rhythm for thousands of different sounding rhythms on both electric and acoustic guitar. You will hear the first downstroke is louder than the others. Also, it is important that you can count this in your head as you're playing it, just while you're learning it. Once you've learned it, you can stop counting then. But if you want to play in time with other musicians, you will need to be able to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. I'll keep doing it so you can strum along with me. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. A few more times. 4, 1, 2, 1. Once more.